Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to place your text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a simple and effective techniques. Step 1. Add text. First, add your text using the type tool on your program panel. Once you've added your text, go to the Essential Graphics panel and make all the necessary adjustments to your text, font, size, color, etc. Step 2. Duplicate background. Next, go to your timeline and make a copy of your background layer. Hold Alt and drag the layer upward to duplicate it. Step 3. Apply color key effect. Now go to the effects panel and search for color key. Drag and drop the color key effect onto the duplicated background layer. Step 4. Adjust color key settings. Now go to the effect controls panel and find the color key effect. Click the eyedropper tool and select the background color where you want the text to go behind. Adjust the color tolerance until your full text is visible. Step 5. Fix edge thinning. If the text is not fully behind the object, adjust the edge thinning value. Decrease it until the text moves behind the object. If needed, increase the feather value to smooth out the edges. Step 6. Move your text slightly to see if any parts are still visible. If you spot any bit of text that are still showing, then adjust the edge thin value again until it disappears completely. This method may not work well if the background color is too similar to your text or if your background color has multiple colors. And that's it, you are good to go.